Hi, dear students and teacher. We are here to explain what language learning strategies are. Language strategies are techniques and actions that learners use to help themselves remember, understand, and use a new language. These strategies are really important for us because they help us to understand, use, because they help us to understand, use, and learn a new language, and how this new language can be something that we can use for us to be a more educated person. These language learning strategies have dimensions. One of the dimensions are the cognitive dimension. This dimension in the language learning strategies refers to the processes and operations that the learners use to manipulate, process, adapt, and relate the information and language they are learning in order to understand, store, and produce a new language or information they can understand better.
Okay, so now we are going to share with you some strategies that you can use if you have problems with cognition learning. Okay, the first one is highlighting. This is really useful when you are reading because if you have cognition learning problems, you may see that you have problems with learning patterns or understand complex situations, or also with memory. So when you highlight something, you have the keywords, and that helps you to understand better and keep that information in your mind.
Analyzing expression. This strategy helps the students go beyond memorizing and really think about what they are really learning. It involves breaking information into parts and then using the logic to understand the real meaning. Students ask questions, compare ideas, and make conclusions. If we use this strategy in activity, for example, using the sentence "It's raining cats and dogs," the students first need to choose the keywords and then using the logic and analyze if it's really true cats and dogs are falling to the sky.